Son las 9 de la mañana y tu ciudad está por comenzar.
Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacies, family, wait and see, look like a panda. Going out like a Montana, honey killers on the helmets. Legacies, family, wait and see, family. Pockets full, Danny, selling ball, candy. Man on the macho like Randy, the chopper go out to for granted. This nigga bullet, you bandit. Hope the killers understand me. I got broads in Atlanta, twisted the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacy, family, wait and see, look like a panda. Going out like a Montana, honey killers on the hammers. Legacy, family, wait and see, family. Package full, Danny, selling ball, candy. Man out the macho like Randy, the chopper go out to for granted. This nigga bullet, you bandit. Hope the killers understand me. Panda. I get broads in Atlanta, twisted up lean and shit, sippin' fountain. Credit cards and the scammers, wake up beside your shit, like designer, whole bunch of ladder shit. They be acting rats, I know we clapping shit. I be pulling us up in the fountain shit. I got plenty just off of Bugatti, but look how I tried this shit. Legacies,
Gabriela en Roca 21 viajará en el tiempo, 36 años atrás en la historia de la música, con el álbum más vendido de todos los tiempos, Thriller de Michael Jackson.
I got bitches pull up and they get it. I got niggas that's counting for digits. Say you make you a lot of money. No killers pull up in the end, baby. CTDD pull up in the killer.
Con Juan iremos, por supuesto, a los videos hasta la China, pero en sabores. Nuestro chef nos preparará un chow mein, 4 estaciones. No deje pasar esta receta. Liliana se va de paseo con Armando Ramírez a una de las partes más antiguas de la ciudad, al barrio de San Sebastián, a la Plaza Torres Quintero. Acompáñenos a conocerla. Enrique nos dice que existen por supuesto cultura en Japón a través del Festival Japón 2016, en donde grandes representantes de la cultura oriental nos deleitarán.
Package full, Danny, selling ball, candy. Man out the macho like Randy, the chicken killers understand me.